Are you worried about switching back from your business or professional account to your personal account on Instagram? Then you have landed on the right video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily switch back from your business or a professional account to your personal account on Instagram in just 3 simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. Step 1. Open Instagram on your mobile device or browser. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Then click on the professional dashboard option below your name and profile picture. After that, click on this ring-like icon situated in the upper right corner. Then click on the search bar at the top and just type switch. Then you will see the switch account type option at the top. Just click on this option. Step 3. After that, just click on switch to personal account, which is the first option. Then it will ask you, do you switch back to a personal account? Now click on switch to personal account, just above cancel option. You've now switched back to your personal Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.